Coinbase is listing a new coin today. We're gonna go over that coin. We're also gonna check out the recent price action of the recent Coinbase listings, as well as some Coinbase news and a Bitcoin price prediction. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. As we guys can see from yesterday, we did make a video about this Crypto.com coin, the Crypto.com protocol coin will be launched on Coinbase Pro today, Wednesday, November 3rd, as long as liquidity conditions are met. Also, a friendly reminder for Becky in the back. Hey, Becky, just want to note that Coinbase is only supporting ERC20 tokens, okay? ERC20 CRO. It'll be run on the Ethereum blockchain, so only send your ERC20 tokens. You got that? Okay, cool. So guys, just please keep that in mind. Hopefully you don't make the same mistake as some people do. They send it on the wrong chain and then, well, they lose that crypto, and that's not a good day. But of course, hitting up the pairs they're gonna have USD, USDT, and Euro. Of course, 3 launching phases. It's actually 4, but they don't tell you about the 4th phase. The 4th phase is Coinbase.com. You guys wanna be using pro.coinbase.com to make the gains. Of course, post only, limit only, full trading, and then Coinbase.com listing. If you're unaware of what CRO is, it's an Ethereum token that powers Crypto.com Pay, a service that aims to allow users to pay for goods and services with cryptocurrency while receiving cash back rewards. So if you like spending your crypto, this may be something you want to look into. The current market cap, though, is around a $6.1 billion market cap. It is ranked 35 on CoinMarketCap by market cap. If you want to get some before it hits Coinbase Pro, which is very soon, within 2 hours, as long as liquidity conditions are met, Huobi Global, Kucoin, Gate are probably your best bets, and maybe some Bittrex as well, depending on where you're located, because we have restrictions based off of where we live, especially if you're in America. Currently around 24 cents, around the same price as yesterday. Hasn't done too much price-wise. Of course, it has made a little bit of a jump there. I mean, we see that massive move there from the first to the second. But besides that, since the listing, watch out. Like, we go back to the last 7 days, watch for this buy the rumor, sell the news. It pumped a lot yesterday. Just about 48 hours ago, you could have got for 20 cents, pumped up to 25 cents. Be careful with these listings, very, very volatile. That's why I also want to hit up the recent listings on Coinbase to see how the price action doing. But before we get into that, guys, it is the beginning of the month. It is the best time to consider becoming a crypto enthusiast member. Maybe you want to be an OG, maybe the spots will run out, like we shall see. If you also need some more one-on-one, definitely hit up the homie club down here if that's what you need. So if you guys like the channel, we do not take paid promotions, so definitely hit it up if you're into that. But of course, these new coins right here that are listing on Coinbase that I've already listed, look, LCX up 78%. Let's go hit up the last 7 days right here, guys. Look, massive volatile move to the upside, come back down, we're starting to go back up. So far, we have not broken that peak. So this was a buy the rumor, sell the news event right there, because so far, we have not broke it. Now, can that happen? Yes, we could definitely break it. It may need some more time. But going back to all-time history, this is at all-time high. Very parabolic. Hopefully, you took some profit. Up next with TRAC, Origin Trail. Kind of reminds me of Origin Trail when I was in 3rd grade, that video game on the computer. I was a little kid then. But it's up 113%. We see this thing at 2.44 cents right now, $2.44. We go back to the last 7 days. And we see once again, buy the rumor, sell the news is trying to make new highs, but there's not enough buyers. There's more sellers because people got in early. They got in down here at around $1. They're selling this thing when it peaked on Coinbase for I think $4. I think that because all the volatility is on Coinbase Pro. You got to use pro.coinbase.com. So of course you may not see $4 here because that's not coming from Coinbase Pro. And hopefully you did not buy then because obviously you're getting wrecked right now. Now, could it come back? It's definitely a possibility. But once again, buy the rumor, sell the news. Are we seeing a pattern here? There's a reason why I'm going over this. You guys let me know if you see a pattern. SUKU up 18%, $116 million market cap. So it's on the lower side compared to TRACs, which is, like I said, 874 mil. And then LCX around 379 mil. So SUKU, what's the last 7 days have? Let's just see what's going on there. Whoa, we had a nice spike up here about October 27th. Nice buy the rumor, sell the news, have event for the Coinbase listing, double top right there. Go back for the month. Of course, it went wild at the end of the month. I wonder if people found out before they announced it on Coinbase. I wonder if some people were like, oh, let's buy this up before it lists. Interesting. Like last year, I mean, we double topped here at around 91, 92 cents. That's pretty cool to see. Maybe we'll finally break out. We did peak out there as well again. Now we're rallying back up. Can that happen? It's definitely a possibility, but just watch as the hype ends. There's a lot of hype with this run, so be careful. Buy the rumors, sell the news. I'm not saying these things can't ever run back up. It's definitely a possibility. I do believe Bitcoin will probably be topping sometime in November or December this year. But of course, I'm looking at the indicators. I'm not just going to be like, oh yeah, it's going to definitely happen. No, based off the indicators, it's actually very likely. Now, if it doesn't, that's great, because the more time, that means bigger gains then in the future. But so just watch out for that when we have our massive alt season. That's what I'm anticipating there. Krill, this thing, 247, up 41%, $93 million market cap. It's pretty small right there. Just friendly reminder, guys. Last 7 days, buy the rumor. So far, sell the news right there. So far, it has come down a little bit. Is it getting ready to rally back up? Possibly. We go back to last year. Look, just laid flat for a while. Literally just flat forever and then parabolic. Could have got this thing for 22 cents. Currently at around 246. And I think this was the one that popped at like $4 on Coinbase Pro. It was either that one or the other one. I forget exactly. But look, still, massive gains are made. Watch for people to take profit. People have big bags like down here are definitely going to dump. Watch out. You want to look at the vesting period for the projects. Is there still private investors going to be getting their tokens unlocked over a period of time? Because if that's the case, they're going to be dumping. So please watch out for that. It is a very low cap for Coinbase listing, a 92 mil. That's very low for Coinbase listing. So keep that in mind. Has a lot of potential, but just remember, buy the rumor, sell the news. And when you see a dip, it's usually a great opportunity when it comes to Coinbase coins. But like I said, just be careful with those. Up next, so Verdado. We talked about Verdado under 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents. I mean, now look at it, $1.37. $1.37, and it's not even on a centralized exchange. It's on Uniswap. It's on PancakeSwap. There's rumors that it's going to hit a top 5 exchange. My bet would be on Kucoin. Personally, that's what I would bet on, and I would not be surprised to see it list sometime. The rumors are from the Telegram. It should be happening sometime this quarter. They've said this since the launch of Verdado, so it's kind of a little getting redundant now. It's like, okay, well, cool. You said it's going to list. Awesome. Now, when's it going to happen? So we don't know when. They say sometime this quarter. Hopefully, they execute on that because, I mean, it's already November 3rd, and, you know, in crypto, every day feels like a week, so it just feels like a long time. Of course, though, please be careful when it comes to Verdado. The market cap is not verified, but it is an estimated around $15 million market cap. Also, please keep in mind, there are private investors. There are IDO investors that will be dumping on you because they're going to be getting their tokens unvested. Also, keep in mind, a lot of the private investors, though, they gave it to the community. You could sign up and invest in this from the community. They did not go the VC route, which makes me very bullish on this project. But yes, there will be tokens being unlocked, so watch out for that. Up next, though, guys, Btc Price Action, 61.7 right now. We are falling back down. Hopefully, we do not get a bearish engulfing. We do not want that. As of right now, though, it's not the case. Around 61.7, nice little pullback. In my opinion, still looking fine. Cannot wait for us to get back into price discovery mode. We'll see the close tonight because we're live Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. Eastern time. So I'll see you then. We got some news about BTCs. Look from CoinDesk says crypto miner Riot Blockchain continues to hold onto its mined Bitcoins and increase its mining computing power. Guidance for next year. Guys, keep in mind, big players, they're not selling their Bitcoin. They're not selling their Bitcoin. They're taking it off exchanges. They're locking it up. What are they doing? They're creating more of an illiquid supply, like a Bitcoin. What happens to something like when the supply goes down and demand goes up? You guys let me know down below. That's Economics 101. Moving on, though, look at this. The mayor of Miami is putting his money where his mouth is. He's very bullish on Bitcoin, been very bullish for a while now. He says, Francis says he'll be accepting his next paycheck in 100% BTCs, roughly 0.13 BTC. He's so bullish on Bitcoin, he's willing to take his next paycheck in Bitcoin. What does that say about Bitcoin? You'll let me know down below. And of course, guys, like I said in the beginning of the video, price prediction from Willy Woo. He says, what's my prediction for the top of this cycle? He says, since I think this is the last cycle, interesting, he thinks this is the last cycle, the one that takes us to the saturation, which if it wins, we can't put a USD value on it because things get valued in BTC. Imagine if we go to the grocery store, they no longer have things valued in USD or in whatever your local currency is, because USD is the global reserve currency. So if that changes, well, then whatever the global reserve currency is probably what it's going to be valued in. But imagine you go there, like a loaf of bread, they have it priced in sats, Satoshis instead of US dollar. That would be a dream come true, guys. That would be the day. But it says, thus the cycle top is easy to pick. It will be 1 BTC to 1 BTC. What do you guys think about his price prediction? Are you disappointed that he said 1 BTC to 1 BTC? But the thing is, though, that's actually a very bullish price prediction, in my humble opinion, because you can't get more bullish than us starting to like calculate everything, price everything in Satoshis. I think we need, personally, we need to get these exchanges to stop having things listed in BTC price and have it listed in Satoshi's price, because Satoshi's is just a smaller version of BTC. Like Bitcoin can be broken out to 8 decimal places, all the way up to 1 Satoshi. So, I mean, people can own millions of Satoshis because it's actually fairly cheap. And just to show all the homies out there that are unaware what a Satoshi is, right here, it's this bad boy right here. Currently, you can get 1 Satoshi for 0.0006177, and this is just Bitcoin, guys. It's just broken down in Satoshis instead of Bitcoin, because the human psychology, we like smaller numbers. We can afford 1 million of these, 5 million of these. That sounds better than saying 0.13 BTCs. So what's your thought about that, guys? What's your thoughts on the price prediction? The mayor of Miami accepting his paycheck in good old BTCs. Are you FOMOing in on the CRO token? Do you actually use their card? Let me know down below. And of course, those recent Coinbase listings, hopefully you did not get wrecked. Be safe out there, guys. And you guys know how it goes around here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Smack that subscribe button, smack that like button if you're not already. And I'll catch you guys tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern time. And until then, may the gains be with you.